Hello everyone, welcome back to day 2 of our daily use English sentences series. In today's video, you will learn 35 simple and useful sentences that you can use in your daily conversation. Let's get started. Today started off really well. Things seem to be improving gradually. It's going to be a busy day ahead. Everything is on track so far. The work is progressing smoothly. Let's talk about this later. Everything is under control now. The plan is working perfectly. That was a really good experience. Everything went quite well today. That was better than I thought. I did not expect that at all. Things are finally coming together. Now it's starting to make sense. That should be enough for now. The traffic wasn't too bad today. The journey was quite comfortable. The vehicle showed up a little late. We reached safely without any trouble. There was a slight delay because of traffic. Everything went just as planned. The flight was slightly delayed. Everything was set before the vehicle arrived. The guests came earlier than expected. The day went by very quickly. Things worked out in the end. It all turned out fine eventually. There were no major issues today. Everything is going as expected so far. The day is turning out to be quite productive. It looks like everything is under control. The situation seems much better now. We managed to finish everything on time. There were a few minor issues, but nothing serious. The plan worked out just fine. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.